horizon, this is the point of no return. Once anything crosses this invisible boundary, it's trapped by the black hole's gravity. It's not a physical surface, just the limit where escape becomes impossible. Singularity, at the center lies the singularity, a point, or sometimes a ring, in rotating black holes, where density becomes infinite and our understanding of physics breaks down. We don't fully know what happens there. Types. Stellar mass black holes, formed from dying stars, typically 3 to 20 times the Sun's mass. Supermassive black holes, found at the centers of galaxies, like Sagittarius A** in the Milky Way, with masses millions or billions of times that of the Sun. Primordial black holes, hypothetical smaller ones that might have formed in the early universe. Accretion disk, matter, like gas or dust, falling into a black hole often forms a swirling disk around it, heating up and emitting X-rays as it spirals inward. Hawking radiation, proposed by Stephen Hawking, this suggests black holes aren't completely black. They can slowly lose mass over time by emitting tiny amounts of energy due to quantum effects near the event horizon. Why are they fascinating? Black holes challenge our understanding of reality. They bend time and space, slow time for objects near them, gravitational time dilation, and might even connect to ideas like wormholes or the fate of the universe. We can't see them directly, but we detect them through their effects, like the way they tug on nearby stars or the light they bend, gravitational lensing. The first image of a black hole's shadow, captured in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope, showed the supermassive black hole in the galaxy M87, confirming decades of theory. If you had a specific aspect of black holes in mind, or a comparison, like which is more informative, a book or a documentary about black holes, let me know, and I'll tailor the answer further. What do you think? Does this spark your curiosity?